Percentage change. Now, a lot of textbooks will have formulas to do this stuff for you, but basically if you can understand the concept and how it works, you'll be able to answer a much wider range of problems. So we're just going to do a few examples. I'm going to highlight the important parts. So on Thursday, fuel was selling for $1.40 a litre, and on Friday it was selling for $1.55. By what percentage did it increase? Or what percentage did it increase by? So to find this out, we need to know how much it increased by to start with. So if it increased from $1.40 to $1.55, I could do 1.55 take away 1.40, but I will end up with the answer 0.15. So it has gone up by 15 cents or $0.15. The reason I do 0.15 is it needs to be in the same units as these. So if these are in dollars, that also needs to be in dollars. So now it increased by 15 cents out of an original $1.40. So it increased by 0.15 out of the original 1.40. Times that by 100 to put it into a percentage, and I end up with 10.71%. Second example, secondhand TV was sold to someone for a cost of $150 if the asking price was $280. What percentage of the asking price did they pay? So what percentage did they pay? They paid $150 out of an original $280, times it by 100 to turn it into a percentage, and you end up with 53.57%. The other way a very similar question could be asked, and this is why I've got example 2 again, because the only difference with this here, it asks for what price did they save. So we need to work out how much they saved first. If that was originally for $280 and they paid $150, I could take that away from that, and I end up with the fact that they saved $130. If they saved $130 out of the original $280, times it by 100 to turn it into a percentage, and I end up with 46.43%. Of course, I also could have answered this question here, because if I paid 53.57%, I would have saved whatever percentage adds up to 100. So 100 take away this percentage would have given me this percentage anyway. But they're two different ways to answer very similar questions. The next question, a new car dealership adds 12%, so 12 is an important part, to the cost of a second-hand car when reselling it. What will they sell a car for if they purchased it for $8,500? So they add 12% on. We need to find out what 12% of 8,500 is first. 12%, 12 over 100 for percentage. 12% of 8,500 gives us 1020. Big thing with financial maths, does that answer the question we found? Did they sell that for $1,020? They've increased it from 8,500, so we know we still don't have an answer yet. But they increased it by 1,020, so they started off at 8,500 and they increased it by $1,020, so they will be selling it for $9,520. Our fourth example, an electronics retailer is offering 13% discounts, so 13 is an important part, on a special day. What will be the sale price of an item originally valued at $985? So I need to take 13% off of that. So 13%, 13 over 100 times by the price, 985. 13% of $985 is $128.05. So this item has been discounted by this 13%. It's had that 13% taken off of it. So it started off at $985 and we have taken a value of 128.05 away from it, giving us a final value of, I'll quickly do this on the calculator, which gave me a value of $856.95. 4 different examples we've got of percentage change, where you find a percentage and then work out whether it went up or down by that percentage. If you can understand that concept, you should be able to find a wide range of percentage problems.